Passive income has gained immense popularity in recent years as a means to achieve financial freedom, as well as the elusive 4-hour workweek lifestyle. It allows individuals to earn money with minimal effort, paving the way for a life filled with leisure and exploration. While the idea of achieving passive income may sound exciting, it is crucial to dispel the notion that it requires no hard work or investment. True passive income is a product of dedication, perseverance, and a clear understanding of the right strategies. So today, I'll take you to From Freelancer to Financial Freedom, the Passive Income Journey. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Step number 1, selecting a skill and skill development. The process of selecting the right skill for a remote service business is critical for long-term success. It is essential to choose a skill that aligns with the individual's interests, strengths, and existing knowledge. By selecting a skill in which they already have some experience or expertise, the individual can build on their existing foundation and accelerate their learning curve. Once the skill is identified, the individual should dedicate a focused 30-day period to skill development. During this time, they should immerse themselves in learning the fundamentals of the chosen skill, exploring different techniques, and understanding the best practices within the industry. While mastery may not be achieved in this short time frame, the goal is to acquire enough proficiency to offer at an entry or intermediate level. For instance, if the chosen skill is copywriting, the individual should focus on understanding the psychology of persuasive writing, crafting effective headlines, and mastering the art of creating compelling calls to action or CTAs. Continuous research and learning during the 30-day period will ensure that the individual gains confidence and proficiency in delivering their service remotely. Step number 2, becoming a freelancer. As a beginner in the remote service business, freelancers face the challenge of establishing credibility and trust with potential clients. To overcome this initial hurdle, it is crucial to create a portfolio that showcases their capabilities. For instance, a copywriter can create fictitious projects and write persuasive copies for them, effectively demonstrating their skills and approach. While freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a great starting point to find clients, diversifying the client acquisition approach is essential for long-term success. Networking plays a significant role in expanding the freelancer's outreach. By connecting with potential clients and industry peers on professional platforms like LinkedIn, freelancers can increase their visibility and credibility. Leveraging social media platforms is another effective strategy to showcase skills and attract clients. Sharing valuable content related to the chosen skill, offering tips and insights, and engaging with a target audience can create a positive reputation and attract potential clients. Additionally, exploring local opportunities and reaching out to businesses and individuals in the freelancer community can open doors for potential projects. Step number 3, strategies for finding clients. While freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are popular and effective avenues for finding clients, diversifying the client acquisition strategy is crucial for sustained growth. LinkedIn, known as the social media platform for professionals and entrepreneurs, offers an excellent opportunity to connect with potential clients. By approaching connections organically and professionally, freelancers can build meaningful relationships that may lead to future collaborations. It is essential to avoid pushy or spammy tactics, as maintaining a credible and trustworthy reputation is vital for success on LinkedIn. Cold outreach is another valuable strategy for reaching out to potential clients who may not be familiar with the freelancer or their services. While it may be perceived as an aggressive approach, when done correctly, cold outreach can yield positive results. Using a well-crafted sales script and demonstrating genuine motivation can make a significant impact and open doors to acquiring new clients. Number 4, reducing client risk and gathering social proof. In the competitive world of remote service businesses, Building trust with potential clients is paramount. One effective strategy is to achieve this through the implementation of social proof. By showcasing real feedback and testimonials from past clients, freelancers can offer concrete evidence of their abilities and success. Social proof serves as powerful endorsements that instill confidence in potential clients, reducing their perceived risk in hiring the freelancer. To gather these valuable testimonials and feedbacks, freelancers may choose to reduce their prices temporarily. This approach communicates to potential clients that the freelancer is committed to delivering quality work and is confident in their abilities. By offering reduced rates for a limited period, freelancers can attract clients who are willing to take a chance and provide valuable testimonials in return. The focus should not solely be on immediate monetary gain, but on establishing credibility and building a portfolio of positive experiences. These testimonials will serve as a strong foundation for attracting more clients in the future and can contribute to the freelancer's long-term success. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, step number 5, the importance of scaling and abiding by the law of supply and demand. Scaling the freelance business is a critical step towards achieving passive income and financial freedom. The law of supply and demand plays a pivotal role in freelancing, influencing the pricing of services. When a service is in high demand and there are more clients seeking the freelancer's expertise than the freelancer can handle, the natural response is to increase their prices. By capitalizing on the law of supply and demand, freelancers can maintain profitability while filtering out clients with lower budgets. To reach this point of high demand and higher pricing, freelancers must adopt a proactive approach to acquiring new clients continually. Even when their schedule seems full, they should keep seeking new opportunities to expand their client base. By consistently growing their clientele, freelancers can position themselves as in-demand professionals, giving them the advantage to set higher rates for their services. Step number 6. Delegating responsibilities and profiting. As freelancers reach the 5-month mark with a thriving remote service business, they are poised to assemble a remote team to take the business to the next level. Delegating tasks to a competent team enables the freelancer to shift focus from executing tasks personally to effectively managing the team's operations. By leveraging the expertise of team members and assigning responsibilities based on individual strengths, freelancers can ensure efficient project execution as well as client satisfaction. While transitioning to a remote team may seem like the path to passive income, freelancers should maintain a certain level of involvement, particularly during the initial stages of team building. Micromanaging the team until complete trust is established ensures that quality standards are maintained and client satisfaction remains a top priority. Step number 7. Finding the right team members. Creating a successful remote team is not just about hiring individuals with impressive resumes. It requires a careful and thoughtful approach to ensure a seamless fit within the company's culture and values. Thorough interviews and evaluations are essential to identify team members who possess not only the necessary skills and experience, but also the dedication and commitment to uphold the company's reputation and deliver excellence. During the interview process, freelancers should assess candidates' technical expertise related to the specific role they will be assigned. For example, a copywriter seeking team members may evaluate their writing abilities by reviewing writing samples and assessing their creativity and flair for crafting compelling copies. Additionally, understanding the candidate's past experiences and track record can provide insights into their abilities to thrive in a remote work environment. However, technical skills are not the only determining factor in finding the right team members. Soft skills such as communication, adaptability, and teamwork are equally crucial for remote collaboration. The ability to communicate effectively in a virtual setting and adapt to a dynamic work environment is vital for remote team success. Furthermore, cultural fit is a significant aspect of building a cohesive team. Team members who align with the company's values, vision, and work ethic are more likely to contribute positively to the team's overall dynamics and foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. By assessing the alignment of the candidate's values and work ethic with that of the company, freelancers can ensure a harmonious and productive team. And finally, we have step number 8, maintaining quality and scaling opportunities. The presence of a reliable remote team empowers freelancers to scale their business without limitations. As demand for services grow, freelancers can seamlessly handle a higher workload by hiring additional team members and delegating tasks effectively. This ability to scale the team in response to client needs creates a cycle of expanding income potential, opening the door to even greater profitability and success. By mastering the art of scaling and leveraging the strengths of a competent remote team, freelancers can build a sustainable and thriving remote service business, leading them closer to achieving their dream of passive income and financial independence. Well, that's basically from freelancer to financial freedom, the passive income journey. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Wanted to find out whether they're correct? And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.